In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hierarchy chart using templates in Canva. We'll keep it simple and efficient so you can build a clear organizational chart in just a few minutes. Start on the main dashboard, the home screen you see when you open Canva. From here, click Templates. This takes you to a library of ready-made designs. In the search bar, type hierarchy chart, then confirm the search to see all available options. You'll find a variety of styles: minimal, colorful, formal, and playful. So take a moment to scroll and explore. Click any design to open its preview. In the preview, look for the number of levels, how much text each box can hold, the overall spacing, and whether the style matches the tone you need. If it looks right, hit Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now you can freely modify it. Replace the placeholder text with real titles, departments, or teams. Keep labels short and consistent so the chart stays readable. Adjust fonts, sizes, and colors to suit your brand style. If you need more roles at the same level, duplicate an existing box so formatting stays uniform. To change hierarchy, drag boxes into position and check that reporting lines make sense. Use connectors to show relationships. Keep lines straight and evenly spaced and choose a single line weight and color for a clean look. If the chart gets crowded, zoom in to fine-tune spacing, then zoom out to review the overall balance. Maintain generous margins around the edges so nothing feels cramped. You can also swap icons or simple graphics to help distinguish sections, but keep visuals subtle so the structure remains the focus. If you need an extra level, extend the layout downward and align everything using the built-in guides. Color coding by level can help scanning. Just make sure text contrasts well with the background for accessibility. When you're satisfied, review from top to bottom. Confirm that each level flows logically, that titles are consistent in style, and that spacing is even. A quick final pass for typos and alignment goes a long way. And that's all. From the main dashboard, you click Templates, searched for a hierarchy chart, previewed your options, selected, customized this template, and then tailored the design to your needs. With templates and a few thoughtful edits, you can create a polished hierarchy chart quickly and confidently.